Well, welcome to day 5 of the Summer Organizing Challenge. And today we're going underneath the bathroom sink. So, my bathroom sink is very underneath, it's very unique because the pipe has a very unique curve to it. So, in order to make accommodations for that, I basically got one of these nice little baskets, and it allows me to corral my items, organize my items, but it also allows them to be accessible to me if I need to pull the basket out completely. So this is a brand new basket. This is my existing basket. And I'm going to just kind of show you how you can actually go through your items. So, of course, the first thing I'm looking at is my shampoos. These are all my different shampoos. So, of course, I will put them together. Then, of course, I've got my extra toothpaste. And of course, I've got toothbrushes. And then, of course, I've got all the other different stuff. So I'll put that over there because this is basically what I use in order to kind of store the extra. Now, these are because I wear contact lenses sometimes. So these are my extra contact lenses. And then, of course, this is the contact lens actual cleanser. Then I get into this is a wonderful lotion that I use only in the summer because it is mosquito repellent, which my wonderful cousin created for me. And then and those are things that I have in the back, which I'm going to show you. And then close in the front are things that I use regularly, like skincare stuff, deodorant, my soaps, and of course, I've got my nice little scrunchie, which is an extra one, so I already have one. And then, of course, I have my trash bags specifically for the wastebasket. And then when you're going through, you can actually see like, I'm getting low on my Q-tips. So then that goes in there as well. And then actually I've rediscovered an oil, and I really like to use oil because now I'm finding my skin is a little bit more dry. So instead of keeping it underneath the sink, I'm going to actually start putting it near my bathtub. So with that, I've kind of organized everything. And as you can see, everything is nice, everything is organized, everything is accessible so that I can go in underneath my sink and grab what I need. For example, sometimes I'll grab my little clear shampoo, or sometimes I just need a little bit more conditioning. I can grab that. So I don't necessarily keep all of that out. Or, in the morning, because this is in the front, it's my deodorant, and my other skincare products are usually on top of my sink. So with that, and also I just want to share with you if there's products that you no longer use for whatever reason, whether you didn't like the smell, it didn't do what you expected it to do, this is a great time to get rid of those items. So I hope you found these tips helpful. And of course, continue to have a clutter-free day. Take care.